Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Halloween video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Grimace Halloween Surprise Fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Halloween Grimace Surprise Fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to begin by lining up my corners, giving it a nice fold right down the middle. Then I'm going to line up the corners again and give it another nice fold. Now when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. And I always like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for the surprise. Now to start off with this, we're going to begin by drawing the famous McDonald's Halloween bucket. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to start by drawing a line that's going to come up. It's going to go over, and then down here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up. It's going to come across and down. Right here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go up. It's going to go over and down. And then right inside of here, I'm going to make two lines that come down. Then I'll draw two lines that curve down here. And two lines that curve down right here. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up. It's going to go over and down for the handle. And then we'll make another line that's going to go up. It's going to go around and then come down for a handle. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down on each side. And then I'm just going to bring this across and up. Now let's start with a little face on the bucket. I'm going to make the nose. I'm going to begin by drawing a line that goes down at an angle on each side, kind of like a big upside down V. Then I'm going to make a smaller V right there. Right here, I'm going to make a line that goes up at an angle. I'm going to make a smiley face and then another line at an angle. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to go down and then up here. We'll do the same thing over here. I'm going to go up, make a smiley face, bring this up again, and then I'm going to bring this down and up. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a V shape to start the mouth. I'm going to go down and up here, and then I'm going to go down and then up here. Next, I'm going to go down on each side. I'm going to go up and down, and then up and down. So there's our bucket. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now once we open our bucket, we have two halves. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this line down on each side. And then I'm just going to connect it right here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up on each side. And then I'll connect it across here. Now, inside of here, I want to make Grimace. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come up. And I'm going to bring this down. I'm going to make a circle for an eye right here. And then I'm going to make another circle for an eye right here. I'm going to draw a line here and then a line here, kind of going at an angle. I'm going to draw a circle inside each eye for the pupil, and I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white. Draw a line that comes up and then down like this, and then same thing, up and then down like this. I'm going to color this in, and then I'm going to color this in. Now for the mouth, I'm going to go down and then up, and then down and up. And then I'm going to make a line that's going to go down and then up here. I want to make a little curved line here. And then I'm going to make his arms coming out of here. So I'm going to draw a line that comes out on each side. I'll make a line that comes up and down on each side. Then I'll make two bumps like this, and I'll bring it back. Same thing here, two bumps, and then I'll bring it back. Draw a line here and a line here. And then a little curved line underneath here. Now I'm going to make him a little bit of like a Halloween Grimace, so I'm going to give him some little sharp teeth, and then a little line down here with some little stitches on it, so it kind of be like a Halloween one. Now for some fun little details, I'm going to add a little Grimace shake up here. So I'm going to begin by making a skinny rectangle. Make a line that goes down, over, and then up, with a little line across. I want to make a little sad face, and a line that goes up and then down for the straw, and we'll remake that same shape. Then I'll draw a little circle in here. Now, over here, I'm going to make one of the little Halloween McNuggets. So I'm going to draw a half circle shape with a line across. I'm going to draw two lines that come up with a line across. I'll connect both sides and then draw a line that goes up and down and then up and down. Make a little line that goes up, over, and down, and a little curve over here. I'll make two circles with two dots in the middle, and then I'll put a little mouth on there. And then right here, I'm going to make two little triangles for eyes that I'll color in, a little triangle nose, and then a little smiley face that I'll color in for the mouth. Then I'm just going to make a few pieces of candy right here. So I'll make a circle with a couple little bumps on each side. I'll make a circle over here. Then I'll make a long line coming down so it looks like a sucker. And then I'll put a few more pieces of candy right around here just to kind of make it look like there's a lot of stuff popping out of here. Then I'll even put a few little triangle pieces, so we got some candy corn in there. So put a few little pieces around here, just all over the place. And there you go, there is your little McDonald's Grimace Surprise Fold. So when I have it all folded up, I've got the little McDonald's bucket, and then when I open it up, we have a little Halloween Grimace popping out. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.